From rumors to leaks, then leaked screenshots, leaked startup sound, leaked videos, leaked full install tutorials, and even a leaked developer preview. Windows 11 over the past month has kind of gone from a cool concept of something you could reskin your desktop to something that's very real. So much so to the point where it's basically unofficially official, especially because we already have a preview build of it. Now, I've been keeping up with this because I kind of find it interesting. We haven't really seen new Windows in 6 years. And like the good little boy that I am, I have entirely abstained from using the leaked preview build because that's what good boys do. None of my machines run Windows 11. But in all honesty, I've been using the build for 4 days now. I'm shooting this on the 20th, and I plan on posting this on the 23rd. Microsoft plans on hosting an event, a Windows-centered event, on June 24th, so that's the day after this goes up, at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Interesting time. So this is a little bit of what you can maybe expect to see tomorrow, and what I think of it. Let's take a look. Now, I want to start this video by saying this. I don't think this is a full build of Windows 11. Now, yes, it is Windows 11. It says it in every piece of software I've run on this operating system in the past couple days. But I don't think this is it. I think this is mainly just kind of like a visual overhaul preview, and a lot of the features are absent here. And there's one major thing that kind of leads me to believe this, and it's this quote from Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Yeah, I butchered that. The quote says, "Soon we will share one of the most significant updates to Windows of the past decade to unlock greater economic opportunity for developers and creators. I've been self-hosting it over the past several months, and I'm incredibly excited about the next generation of Windows. Our promise to you is this: we will create more opportunity for every Windows developer today and welcome every creator who's looking for the most innovative new open platform to build and distribute and monetize applications. We look forward to sharing more very soon." The two most important things I read from this are the following: unlock greater economic opportunities for developers and create more opportunity for every Windows developer. I don't think you're gonna achieve that with what we have here. So either he's bold-faced lying, or this isn't the full version and we have a lot to expect tomorrow. So let's hop into the actual preview of the operating system and do a little bit of poking around, see what we can find. So the main thing that everyone's talking about is the new design. It's a visual overhaul. The taskbar is more of a task dock a la macOS. Icons look different, animations look different, windows have rounded corners on them. It's very, very similar yet different to what we have in Windows 10. Now, part of what a lot of people have gripes about is the start menu. A lot of people don't like that it's centered. You can fix that though. You can left align the start menu. I wasn't done talking about you. Wakey wakey. We're not done yet. You can left align the start menu to put it back where it was before, but it doesn't make it go back to the same layout and format that we have in Windows 10. And I'm gonna be honest, I kinda like it. It's different, don't tell anyone. And I've seen a lot of people saying like, oh, well, where are my shortcuts to, I don't know, settings and my documents folder and like all that kind of stuff that's there in Windows 10? Well, by default, it's not there. You can put them there. All you have to do is go to taskbar settings and customize the buttons that show up on the bottom of the start menu, and there you go, you got them all back. Now, a lot of what I've noticed in my 4 or 5 days with playing with this is the animations are a huge focus of Windows 11. Everything from the out-of-box experience startup, to shrinking and minimizing windows, to dragging windows around, to snapping them, to closing them, to opening icons on the tray. Everything is different. There's a bounce to it, there's a flow to it, there's a shrink and expand to it. It's not the immediate 1 frame, 2 frame that we have with Windows 10. It feels fluid, there's motion to it, and I love that. It feels a little more well built. If you ask me what I think of it so far, I think it just feels a lot friendlier than Windows 10. I don't know how to extrapolate that, but it just feels friendlier. And one of the things that we saw recently with macOS has come to Windows. If you hover over the maximize button, you can kind of get some window snapping features. Now, I don't really understand a lot of the inner workings of Windows and like the kernel. Like that's not my thing. I like the pretty face. I don't really pay attention to too much of what's under the hood. But from what I've heard, there's some new things added to the registry, some different additions to the time in the taskbar, and you can hide the desktop button in the taskbar. There's a lot of things that Sure, are new features, but I don't think they're really gonna make the headlines of the new features of Windows 11, or at least I hope they don't. But so far, my experience, it's smooth. Like, it's not super buggy or bad or anything. I'm still not done with you. It's not super weird or buggy or choppy. Like, it's pretty smooth. I don't think this is it. As I said before, I really hope this isn't it, because if this is it, can't this just be 21H2 for Windows 10? Like, do we really need a number jump for a visual overhaul? If you didn't tell me that this was a preview build, and you just said, hey, I have the official build of Windows 11, I might be disappointed, again, with the lack of features and all that kind of stuff, but I might believe you if you said that. If this is the preview, which is meant to be unfinished and buggy and jittery, if this is that, the full build of Windows 11 is gonna be something else. And I'm definitely gonna be taking a look at that. I plan on coming back, not tomorrow, but the day after. I plan on coming back on Friday to film and upload another video about some of the things that we maybe missed from the event, or some of the things that weren't included in the event or weren't included in this build. So be sure to come back on Friday for that. And now the ball is in your court, Microsoft. Wow us. Let's see what you got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment. What's your favorite, all-time favorite version of Windows? Are you Windows 1.0, 95, XP, 7, 10, or are you the weirdo that still uses Windows Vista? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys on Friday.